Hi friends, I just wanted to give you the good news. Tomorrow, 29th of November, I will be releasing the second installment of the Post Matric scholarship. After that, it will take 2 to maximum 3 working days for it to reflect in the student's account. But as promised to all of you, that this year I will take special care and ensure that your scholarship amount is released before Christmas. And hence, I'm doing that, and I'm sure that this will help our student community to a large and a great extent. I wish you all the very best for your future. May God bless each and every one of you. Thank you.